Good morning. Myself Pushpalata from Tribly Department. My seminar topic is current shopping. Before see the current shopping, we will discuss about power system transients. Power system transients that are caused by utility switching operations or lightning strikes to electric function have significant potential to damage equipment or disrupt operations. Transients voltage and currents are caused by sudden changes within the electric power system. The current shopping is the phenomenon of the making the current to be zero at regular. Now see the contents of the current shopping. Definition, explanation, circuit diagram, working, waveform and its uses. The definition of the current shopping: when low inductive currents such as magnetic current of transformer, shunt reactors are interrupted by breaker, there is a rapid deionization of contact space and may cause the current to be interrupted before its natural zero. This phenomenon is called current shopping. In power lines, when surge occurs due to lightning or switching operations at the time circuit breaker open, air blast circuit breaker and current. When breaking low currents, that is unload transformer or reactor magnetizing current, the powerful deionizing effect of air blast circuit breaker causes the current absolutely to zero well before the natural current is reached. The explanation of the current shopping is a term that came to our vocabulary with the advent of vacuum switching, which was commercially started back in the 1950s. Usually, switching means in the air or oil or in the terms of dielectric recovery rate relatively slow, and as the main contact with wood, the part the arc could go through several zero crossing before it could finally go out, and dielectric strength across the now open gap be strong to prevent a restrike, while interrupting highly inductive current like no load current of transformer. The rapid reionization of contact space and blast effect may cause current interruption before it's naturally zero, such as an interruption of currents before its natural zero is termed as current shopping. This phenomenon are pronounced in case of air blast circuit breaker, which exerts the same deionization for all currents within its short circuit capacity, even though instantaneous value of current being interrupted may be less than the normal current rating of the breaker. Because of the rapid recovery rate of the dielectric, the arc in vacuum interrupter will tend to go out before current zero, which will result in an instantaneous current drop to zero and lead to an induced voltage or voltage transient being generated to downstream equipment. Here see the circuit diagram of current shopping. The supply is go to the inductance side and parallelly connected capacitance and the circuit breaker. The fault occurs in the circuit breaker, and we see the diagram in clearly. The working of the current shopping. This can be seen by calculating the formula Vt equal to Ic into Z0, where Vt is voltage transient, Ic is current shock, Z0 is surge impedance. Therefore, if the current shock is zero point 0.9 of an amp and the surge impedance is 3000 ohms, the voltage transient will equal 2700 volts on top of the RMS system voltage, whether it would be 4160 or 5 kV. The electromagnetic energy stored in the system at the instant before interruption is of Li square. As soon as the current is interrupted, the value of the I becomes zero. But the electromagnetic energy stored in the system of into Li square cannot become zero instantaneously. However, if the current drop is 5 amps times surge impedance of the 3000 amps, then the voltage transient can equal 50 kilovolt on the top of the RMS supply voltage. In addition, the voltage transient value that the motor or dry type transformer will withstand is difficult to obtain from motor and transformer manufacturers. The waveform of the current shopping is go to the Neutral current 0. The y-axis is current arc and the x-axis is time. In order to reduce the phenomenon of the current shopping, the voltage are to be reduced. This is possible by connecting the voltage grading resistors across the circuit breaker's contacts during or interruptions. In medium voltage systems, an RC surge absorbs is connected across line and ground in between the inductive load and the circuit breakers. As a result, the RC combination across the over voltages. The uses of the current shopping is mainly observed in vacuum cleaner and circuit breaker and air blast circuit breaker. There is no phenomenon in oil circuit breaker. Current shopping is predominant while switching shunt reactor or unloaded transformer. Thank you.